This is Toilet Paper Math by Mark KidWok Britten. Whenever I go to the store, I'm always confused about what to buy because buying toilet paper is like flushing your money down the toilet. To make matters worse, when you go in, they don't even use the same number of sheets in regular rolls, each brand. So how do you figure it out, especially when they throw out double, jumbo, mega, mega plus? 4 equals 18, 6 equals 27, 36 equals 82. How do you measure? Square footage? The squares aren't all the same size, but there is at least one side that is 4 inches on any given square. So this is only a per square, meaning sheet model, because I judge by sheets and squares, not size of each square. Okay, if it's the different size, you just fold, turn left, use. There you go. That's how I look at it. So here we go. We're going to run this. Let's see. Charmin has the most amount of parameters, so we're going to run them first. Then we're going to run Northern and Continental, maybe a couple of these other ones. All right. And then at the bottom we have a user defined in case you don't find your size. I do have some of the sizes predefined in the dictionary, but the user defined will allow you to make your own. Here we go. Here's Poo Be Gone is the name of this user defined one. And then we're going to look at the bottom of the actual small writing on the package of the toilet paper and find out how many is in each roll, how many sheets. All right, so here we go. There we go. And then we are going to find our final and see which one had the best deal. There you go. And that's it. Toilet paper math. And remember, it's not gouging unless your finger breaks through.